What's up, guys? Welcome to another Firearms Friday. I'm sorry I missed two, but we're going to hit you with a triple upload this week. So for the first one, we're going over the SAR USA ST9. And if you know nothing about this, you might actually never heard of this company. It's a company out of Turkey, and they're selling firearms in the US. That's why they're called SAR USA. But as you can see, the ST9 is a pistol. It kind of looks like a Glock, but it feels more like a Walther. And it's relatively cheap. I think this was $400. It's maybe cheaper, maybe $300. But it's around that price range you'll get it for. And you know, that's almost the price of a Glock, but I feel like it looks nicer than a Glock. You got the 3 Picatinny rail slots. Also, it has a manual safety, which Glocks don't, but it also has the safety trigger, like a Glock, just so people know. No bullets in there. So, in terms of what it comes with, you get 2 mags, 17 rounds, but someone did say they're having a problem putting all 17 in there, but that was a while ago, and the shooting range I go to only allows up to 5 bullets because it's public, so I haven't really tested that. But that was the old gen, so I'm sure that problem has been fixed. But it also comes with back straps. You can see the one that's in right there is like a medium. It fits in my hand perfectly. This one's a large one, and this one is skinnier. Also comes with side straps, yeah. If you want to put these in there, which are skinnier than what are on here. Here's a tool to disassemble. Comes with a cleaning and another rod if you want to clean it not using this. But yeah, that is what it comes with. And obviously you get this nice case. But like I said, this is a Turkish firearm. And the nice thing about Turkish firearms is they're a lot cheaper than firearms made in the USA. They could basically do whatever they want when they make it in Turkey because they won't be infringing on a patent because it's a US patent. So that's why you might see this looks very similar to a Glock. And you know, if this was made by someone like Colt, they might be able to file a lawsuit against them. But they can't, so that's nice. You know, you're getting a design you may like for a cheaper amount. And also Turkish weapons have to be made to military standards. So it works perfectly. Some other things I could tell. Oh, comes with night sights already. Has a striker indicator. So if there's a bullet, or you could just check like that. Has 2 ribs for, you know, grasping the slide. Slides back easy. Trigger feels nice. It does not have ambidextrous mag release, but it does have ambidextrous manual safety, and the slide release is for right hand too. They might make one for lefties though, I'm not sure. That just seems weird to me. A lot of companies do that where they have ambi safety but not ambi slide release. I guess it's more important to have a safety though, in case you're ever in a situation and you need to turn it off. But yeah, overall, this gun is seriously a bang for the buck. I haven't had any problems with it. I've run 2 different types of ammo. I've run a steel case wolf through it and a brass hollow point. I forgot the name of the ammunition, but it's worked fine. It had no malfunctions. It works accurate. And for the features you get for the price, I don't know if you could really beat it. It's not like a brand name. Some people are kind of crazy about getting something brand name. But for the price, I don't know if you could get really a nicer pistol. I'll have to let you guys know down the road once I'm able to review more. But yeah, let's get on to the shooting. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed the clips at the range, but let's get on to the disassembly. So first you're going to want to take the mag out, put that somewhere. The trigger needs to be pulled, so if it's not, just, point it somewhere safe, away from anyone or anything, and I'll pull the trigger. You should probably obviously make sure there's no bullets in there too, but I assume that you would do that. Next, you're going to want to look at this right here. It's on both sides. And watch how I grip it. So I'm going to grip it like this, put it to my chest. I'm going to take both fingers, I'm going to pinch on both sides, I'm going to pull down, and then it slides right off. So that, make sure yours looks like mine, because this is the newest generation. The old generations don't have that. They just have like a pin you push out and then you take it off the side. So let's move on. To get the recoil spring out, just push down, just like that. Barrel out, push forward, just that. And that is the complete field strip of the ST9 9mm pistol by SAR USA. So overall, guys, I think it's a great pistol for the price. Definitely comes with a lot of features you wouldn't get with a bigger brand at this price point. So if you guys enjoyed, make sure to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.